Where are we?
Yep. Nay Yang Beach.
Nayang Beach. Okay, so today's English lesson, we'll start with...
So today, okay?
Yeah, okay, today's English lesson is say squirrel.
Again, please.
Squirrel.
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 Squirrel. Squirrel. Okay. Where we go today? Are we ready to go? Where we going? What we doing?
Rawai.
Yeah, we're going to Rawai, and then we're going to go to get a long tail to KOH BON. Been looking forward to this trip for a long time. Never been there before. Been to Coral Island a couple of times, but never been to KOH BON, so it should be pretty exciting and very empty. Empty. Everything's empty. No one's here. Everyone's gone home. No one's turning up.
Have to bring food.
Bring food. Could be a deserted island. We don't know. Evidently, there's an English woman there who's been around here for years and years who speaks fluent Thai, and she's got like a little shack come beach thing where you get something to eat and some drinks and stuff like that. And so it'll be interesting talking to her because she's been on the island for years. So yeah, that's where we're going today. Off we go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, this is Banana Beach, and there is the Phuket taxi sitting in the shade. Okay, this is Banana Beach now. This is a lovely little spot, but it's hardly ever visited by any of us lot because it is so packed normally. But as you can see, judging by literally hundreds of empty sunbeds, deck chairs, empty restaurant, empty sunbeds, and there's a stack load of empty deck chairs and sunbeds down there under the trees, under that big building there. It is absolutely dead as a dodo, and that's because there is no one here. So we've probably pretty much got the place to ourselves, which is lovely. Here's John and Pat having a swim in the sea. Bit choppy today. Quite a lively ride out on the old longtail. There they are, having a swim. Plenty of longtails laying about because there's not a lot going on. So there we have it, Banana Beach. Beautiful little spot. No tourists. At all. Beaches here are absolutely empty. Unreal. What a lovely place to come. For a few hours, we've got to leave here shortly. We're going to go over to, I think it's Coral Island, and then KOH BON, or KOH BON and not Coral Island, I don't know, I can't remember. Not quite sure what we arranged now. But we'll be moving on from here quite soon. And then we'll get some more film of KOH BON, which is the one I really want to go to because I've never been there before. Bon. Been wanting to come here for a long time. As you can hear, the old longtails are kicking off, doing their stuff over there behind me. Somewhere. Where is he? Can't see him. He's there somewhere anyway. Oh, there he is. So yeah, this is KOH BON. It's a tiny little beach, and it's only about a 5-minute longtail ride from Rawai beach itself. We come back here the last port of call after we went to Banana Beach, which again was pretty much deserted, but this is pretty much deserted anyway. They're all kicking off at the moment, starting up, taking people back to the mainland. So this is KOH BON, cracking little spot. The sun's just come out, it's been a bit cloudy for the last hour or so. Beautiful little spot, very few people here, get a bit of food here. Nice little beach, quite remote, definitely worth a visit if you're down in the Rawai area. And a longtail's pretty cheap at the moment. I mean, we got a longtail for the whole day for 1,800 baht. When we was up in Canada, they wanted 2,500 baht for an hour. So, hell of a difference. So, we won't be doing that again. Well, here we go. It's off. So, yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful spot. KOH BON Island. KOH BON. So yeah, not a bad way to spend a Sunday afternoon with one of your pals. Nice bit of Sunday lunch, sitting on the beach, boiling hot sunshine, about a care in the world. Lovely jubbly. You reckon you got it now? Yeah, you reckon you got it?
Cheat with him.
Oh, come on, here all day.
Squaw. Squaw. Squirrel. Squirrel. Squaw. Squirrel. 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 It is me, squirrel.
You're freaking defective.
Squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel.